coming to Mr. Kanchan Das issue, that no FCRA permission was obtained. I'm sure the FCRA permissions are obtained.
Who gave the FCRA permission? Whose government was it?
I never said that.
He never said that.
I never said that.
You're misquoting Kanchan Gupta.
Disclosure was not made.
No.
I never said.
Of course, he did say that.
I never said that whether permission was there or not.
Sambit Patra says it's a case of sedition also. Let me remind Sambit Patra that ever since the PM was the Chief Minister of Gujarat, he has been visiting, and moreover, China has not been an enemy nation to us. He, as a Chief Minister, also visited China innumerable time, and maximum.
I am sorry.
In the state of Gujarat
because
today.
one second.
His bonhomie
because I just have a small question for you.
In last 6
because
years,
I just have a small question.
Vikas is asking a counter.
The Rajiv Gandhi Institute of Contemporary Studies received $200,000. How was the money used?
That his knowledge, I don't know his knowledge about as a doctor.
Summit.
He has taken my name multiple times. Vikas, I don't want to interject. Since you have taken my name multiple times, my word, the use of the word tradition was because of the fact that the China Association for International Friendly Contact had a relationship with the Rajiv Gandhi Foundation. What was the need for an accord between the two? And I told you as to what was the duty of China Association for International Friendly Contact to perform dual roles of intelligence collection and conducting propaganda and perception management campaigns.
Of those MOU?
What is this?
Dr.
What is this then?
You are
this
in
is
the
not
government.
MOU, sir.
You are in the
with this
government.
company, with this
the personal friend of the Prime Minister. What are the contents of the MOU? You
deal at all.
disclose it.
My question is, why a deal with this company at all? The prime objective of this foundation was to collect intelligence within foreign
even
countries.
RSS and BJP
so this is sedition.
China when
does
they were
not
in
this amount to
opposition.
Sedition because
Even BJP and RSS visited China. What were the contents of the BJP and RSS meeting with Chinese leaders?
I tell you, I have both the.
Were you there to unsettle the Congress government at that time?
I have both with me, thankfully. Thankfully, because since you have asked me a question, I have both the deals with me. In fact, you said that the MOU of the Congress party, what does it say? And as far as the BJP MOU is concerned, let me tell you, there was no MOU with BJP. There was a MOU of Congress in 2008. And this is what it says. It says, and I quote one of the leading newspapers of India, the MOU was signed by the Chinese Vice President and Standing Committee member of CPC's Politburo, Xi Jinping, and Congress General Secretary Rahul Gandhi in the presence of his mother and party president Sonia Gandhi. Strictly on a party-to-party basis, and here comes the most important thing, to consult each other on all important bilateral, regional and international developments, and to build a relationship particularly with the Nehru-Gandhi family that goes beyond UPA and the government. Shame!
Why would you allow the intelligence apparatus of another country to do this? Shame. I mean, explain it.
Why shame? About bilateral issues.
You should be proud of this.
To take it amongst the people and to take it forward. What is wrong in that? You tell me what is sedition in this? What is sedition in this, Dr. Sambit Patra?
Sir, Vikas sir, you wanted to know what did the BJP discuss about?
What is sedition about this?
Just a second. Vikas, my good friend, you are a very sane voice, Vikas. Since you wanted to know about what transpired between BJP and the delegation of the China there in China, Arun Singh and Ram Madhav, they said, and I quote, each one should respect each other's country's sensitivities and aspirations, and that no territorial change affecting relations with any other company had taken place. Article 370 is strictly India's issue. And BJP delegation goes ahead to say that it would hurt Indian sentiments if China was to take the side of any country fostering and promoting terror against India, that is Pakistan. So we spoke against Pakistan. We said that Article 370 was strictly an Indian issue. No one should interfere into that. Unlike Mr. Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary, who got up on the floor of Parliament and said that we should have taken the permission of Pakistan even before discussing Article 370. So do I need to speak more?